Hey everybody. Well, it's been a long time coming, but I finally got it together enough to get a graphics package going for the Jeep. So I've already cut all the vinyl, I've already weeded and taped it, that's all ready to go. I've already washed the Jeep. I'm just gonna do a quick little wipe down with some alcohol. So let's get started. Alright, that was the last piece on this side. I'm gonna start doing a couple little pieces up here, a couple little patches, and my 4x4 fell off. But that's like 30-year-old you know, double stick tape, so I gotta just replace that. It's no big deal. But at least it didn't fall off on the road. Anyways, alright dude, I'm gonna go ahead and finish out this side, flip the Jeep around, and then do the other side, and we'll call this quits. And alright, it's going pretty well so far. Cool. Yeah, that's awesome. That turned out way better than I thought it would. All right, cool. I can probably see a couple spots. I could use a couple more decals here and there, little spots, little bits. But yeah, the beauty of this design is that it's already distressed, so it looks like it's already scratched and dinged up. So whenever there is a scratch, I'm not going to be worried about it. I'm not going to be like, oh man, my graphics. But no, I think it looks great. What do you guys think? It's awesome. I'm happy with that. Yeah, that's gonna catch some eyes. I know that. That's all right. This is definitely one of a kind. All right, guys. I appreciate y'all hanging out with me today, watching the process. This has been a long time coming. Like I said, I've been going back and forth between colors for a while, and I'm glad I settled on this dark burgundy. But anyways, I appreciate y'all very much. Thank you for watching, and like always, take care.